Hey there, it's Laura with Wide RV. I just wanted to make sure that everybody knew that we have a service department and a parts and accessories store. So you can actually come in and get the parts that you need or order the parts. We are a Jayco exclusive dealer, so you can even order your Jayco parts right through us. A lot of people don't even know this about us, but we have parts and service here. So another point about this that I would love to share is that me in sales, okay, I work with our service department. We support our sales here. So, you know, this store, the service is open 8 to 5 Monday through Friday and 8 to 1 on Saturday. We're closed on Sunday. So I just want to make sure you know that I'm here for you, and make sure that you're aware of all your options over here at Wide RV with me. Follow up with me, ask me any questions, come on in and ask for me. Let me be your salesperson here, because you're not going to find anywhere else that's going to support you in your Jayco purchase or any of the other inventory items that we have, because we have used and new. Okay, so I'll look forward to hearing from you. If you have checked us out before, let me know how you've liked it. Thanks.